Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 81. This was November 19th. It was a Saturday. I did my normal exercise routine, 45 minutes on the treadmill with a 5-minute jog. And then I was doing ACA sales all day. And then I did a remote wellness academy. I finished up a lesson with a remote wellness academy, and then I was doing some books. So actually, I've done a lot of work with books this week. I bought 40 books in the last couple of days. It's a lot, not only to buy them, but to list them and then do the prep center management. So I got all that straight, and that in addition to the ACA is a lot. So, and then I also had my coaching session with Jeffrey Combs. That was an hour at 2 o'clock on Saturday that I have every week with Jeffrey Combs. So that was my day for day 81. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you